Welcome. If you want your Pinterest boards to stand out and make your favorite ideas pop, using the wide layout is a simple way to give your boards a fresh, modern look. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to switch any Pinterest board to the wide layout, making your pins more visually impactful and your collections easier to browse. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your boards and settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Boards tab. This is where all your saved boards live, neatly organized for easy access. Tap on the Boards tab to see the full list. Next, scroll through your boards and tap on the one you want to update. Whether it's your recipe collection, travel inspiration, or a vision board for your next project, you can use the wide layout on any board you choose. At the top right corner of your board, you'll see an icon that looks like either sort or a layout grid. Go ahead and tap that icon. This is where you can customize how your pins are displayed. From the menu that appears, select Wide. Instantly, your board will switch to the wide layout, giving each pin more space and making your board look cleaner and more organized. This layout is perfect for showcasing beautiful visuals, step-by-step guides, or any content you want to highlight. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've transformed your Pinterest board into a wide, eye-catching gallery. Feel free to explore how your other boards look with the wide layout, and don't be afraid to switch things up whenever you want a new vibe. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give your boards a makeover and enjoy the new look. Happy pinning!